Hi guys, welcome to my room. This is my updated room tour and I'm sitting on my bed right now, and for my bed frame is a Victorian style frame, and I really like the gold and then the beige together, and for the blanket also like a beige color, so they like all match. For my bed sheets, they actually are silk, as well as my pillow, very soft. And for the nightstands, they are the same company. And for the lamps, they're a different company actually, but they kind of match because it's gold. And over there, we have my closet here, my handbag closet here. And I still need more time to organize it. So yeah, stay tuned guys. I'm gonna film an updated handbag collection soon. And let's go over here. Over this side of my bedroom, I have another handbag cabinet here. And same thing, I need to organize it. And then I have my TV, my candles, some TV box, and a dresser. The dresser is actually the same, like it's matched with my bed and my nightstands. And over here is another handbag cabinet. And I have 4 bags here that need to organize and they need help. Over this side of my room, I have my makeup drawer here. It's full of makeup and skincare here. And as you can see, I have some more clothes here. I have my jeans here, my workout clothes. Also here, I have another closet. So many clothes. Walk up a few stairs, then this is my bathroom, and I have my vanity right here. I don't usually use it, mainly like store my makeup, skincare here. Also, I have a chair here. I don't really sit while I'm doing my makeup. I like to stand up. So I have my purse here, like I'm using this one right now, so I just leave it here. And over here I have my shower, and there are like jets in it, but I don't really use it too, but it's good to have it. And then toilet right here, and then 2 sinks, and yeah, mess here. I try my best to clean it up, but yeah, this is the best I can do. Lastly, this is my walk-in closet. It's a big mess here. I have too many clothes, so I keep like all kind of clothes here. And also I have some makeup brushes, a drawer full of face masks, those Asian face masks in there. But yeah, it's like just full of stuff, but I'm gonna clean it up one day. This is my guest room and also my shoe closet. So I have all the shoe cabinets that along the wall. And this part of it, I have it in the other side as well. So same thing, I need to organize it. So I try to put all my sneakers in this drawer, and then sandals over here, and then heels and boots, and some boots actually over here as well. And yeah, over here I have the day bed, so it's for my guests, and I forgot this area here, some extra stuff. And I have a chair here for myself, you know, to sit down so I can try on shoes. Next to a day bed, I have a rack here. They are all clean from the dry cleaners, and I'm gonna put them away later. I'm gonna leave them here for now. And behind the mirror, I have more clothes, so many. Anyway, I'm not gonna go through that. And let's go to this side. It's also more shoes. So I was mentioning earlier, so this is another side. So I have the black heels here, mainly heels, and my tan and gold heels. Over here I have a lamp. This is the main lamp for this room. And lastly is the flat. I keep all my Aster Rose flats over in this cabinet. Thanks so much for watching. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to leave a comment down below and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!